So now let's say I want a marketing plan creation, but I don't have much budget. Then Kimi can actually help me plan for my marketing as well. Let's say, for example, I can say I have a startup sticker and toy business. I don't have much budget. How can I target people in Yangon to market my business at a low cost without hiring anyone, because I am working alone in it right now, right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and do that, then it actually goes ahead and then searches for contents, as you can see right here, just like this. And it says here are some low cost marketing strategies that you can use to target people in Yangon. So it says use social media marketing, create business accounts, and engage with content. And it says run contests and giveaways. So this seems interesting. So you can take these ideas right here. Like it says host social media contests where participants have to like, follow, and tag friends to enter, and offer free stickers or toys as prizes. This encourages more people to interact with your page and spread the word about your business. And it's apart from that, you get content marketing. It says start a blog, create infographics right here. And then it says use local SEO optimization, claim Google My Business, and it says optimize your website and so forth. So it gives you a marketing plan depending on what you have, as you can see right here. And it even gives guerrilla marketing plan like street art and stunt. And if it aligns with your brand, consider creating eye-catching street art or organizing a fun stunt related to your product. For example, a flash mob with kids using your stickers could generate a buzz and attract attention. And this is how you can create a marketing plan with the help of Kimi as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.